Alright, welcome back peeps, welcome back to my channel. And today we got another special unboxing. And today we're going to talk about the Deforeal Godzilla 2016. And a special shout out goes to an awesome guy on Facebook. He's part of the X Plus group, and for hooking me up with this figure for an extremely great price. So awesome guy, his name is Eric Henry. Thank you very much, Eric, for hooking me up. Now let's go ahead and get this guy out of the box. Okay, so got him out of the shipper, and here we see something that's about a 65 anniversary. 65-year anniversary. Come on, focus. Alright. 2016 version. Light up version. And there's the side of the box. And there's the back of the box. And it looks like I'm going to need some batteries. I think some AAAs. Alright. Alrighty. We got them out of the box. And some more purple goodness. Love the purple. Oh yes. Some more purple good stuff here. Love it. Love the purple. Love that purple. Love it. So who's more purple? Let's compare. I got the original. Alrighty. So we got the original one on the left and the new one on the right. And you could tell that they have different shades of purple. That they do. See the tails there. Amazing. Amazing. See, so they are different. You know, it's a big difference between the two. Big difference. And now let's test the light up. Alright, moment of truth, guys. Here we go. Whoa. Very nice. There's some pulsation. I wonder if I should turn off a light here. Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah, the camera picks up, I guess, what do you call it? The frequency of the light of the LEDs. It looks cool, you know, on camera, like it's pulsating. Cause in the naked eye, you don't see that blinking or pulsating. So awesome light up, man. Awesome. I do see that it's a white LED. Um, I'm just, like, I'm wishing that it could have been a purple LED. But anyway, it's still awesome. Yeah, like he's charging up the tail. Amazing. And for me, it wasn't just the light up that sold me on this figure. It was the purple. Because purple Shin is my favorite Shin. So, in conclusion, I give this guy a 10 out of 10. Happy to add him to the collection. Amazing little guy. Amazing little figures. And why not? One more go around. Thank you for watching. Bye.